Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to be playing a new game. It's called Tornado Alley Ultimate. Protein Shake is unfortunately dead, so it's just gonna be me and Mario Man.
Are you in the game?
Yeah, I'm in the game.
Here we go, let's do this.
Oh gosh. Alright,
what do we do?
I don't know.
Alright, pause and read.
Where you want to go, Shark?
I don't know. Oh gosh.
Oh, we're doing medium. We're doing medium.
Oh great. Okay, bombs away. Okay. Oh, is that it? I got the shelter key.
Oh, you get the shelter key. Alright.
Gosh.
Time.
Uh oh.
Oh, that's
That's not good. Starting terrain.
it's rainy.
Mario. Yo! Oh god, what is that? Oh, it's a tornado! Wait, where do we find the shack thing? No, I'm not afraid of you.
Hey! I'm not afraid anymore!
I'm not risking it. Oh, what the frick? I'm so low. Ooh! Lord. I died. Alright. Intermission, here we go.
If you fall from a high height, you could break many different bones.
Nah, jit trip. Okay. Where do we find the shelter? Okay, we got, hell no. Infernato. Go. We gotta find a key.
We're gonna find this stupid shelter.
Yep.
There seems to be a mix between tornadoes and fires.
Your mom. Is it just me or does this place look like Detroit? Oh gosh. Here we go. It spawns right on top of us. Oh my god.
Take two. We can just gotta survive.
Whoa, it turned red.
It's red.
Oh, fire extinguisher. This will do something. I got a fire extinguisher. Yay.
It's coming towards us, Shark. Shark's coming towards us.
No. Yo, the building. No, the building.
It's coming towards us. Dead.
Oh gosh. God. Help me. Oh my god, there's a guy over there.
Okay, let's go save him. Okay, he's dead.
No!
Are you still alive?
Yep, I'm alive. Come on, Mario, come on.
Sing with me, sing for the
No, we're gonna get copyrighted.
Oh, we got
No! It's coming toward us. 20 seconds. Oh gosh. Yo! Stop it. Did you hear me? I'm not afraid anymore. Let's go. We did it. See guys, if you face your fears, then you can accomplish. You can accomplish not dying, okay? Face your fears, guys. The more you know. Okay, Detroit is even more ruined now. I'm calling this map Detroit, because why not? Yeah! For survival!
Yeah!
Let's go!
We did it! The first time we survived!
Uh-oh. Are we gonna die?
No.
No! Oh,
No.
get in a house. Oh my god, my super Spidey extinguisher will protect us. I can't take this.
We have to go find her. Let's go out into the wild.
Where's the supply drop?
What?
This ain't Fortnite.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit! Oh, I found it! I got one!
Oh my god, now what? It's pollution. Ow, I just broke my ankles. Yo. Woo! another time. Let's go. We did it. Yes. I have my leg back. Or
We survived the Travis Scott concert.
here we go. Okay. We're going to Metropolis. Metropolis. Yeah. Yeah. We gonna survive. We gonna survive today, boy.
Are you sure about that?
No. Okay, it's this one again.
No.
Okay, go. You gotta find each other. Yeet! Why is this guy on fire? Come on, we gotta. Come on. Let's go to this little funny thing. Can we actually drive the boat?
Wait, I can't swim.
Oh, we can drive the boat!
Wait.
Woo. Oh god.
We'll be okay.
We'll be fine.
I
We're
just spawned right on top of us.
okay. It's blood again. I don't feel safe. I'll
You know
feel.
what? I'm gonna run up to it.
I'm gonna. Oh!
Oh!
Doing okay. I'm gonna help this guy. How do I help you?
Never mind.
No, they're dead. We survived.
You survived.
This is gonna be a fun video to edit.
We're already like.
Are you? Get up to high grounds. Go. Oh, get up the ladder. Come on. Oh god. Oh. The world is flooding. Fun.
I tried to fall off.
Oh god. Yes! Oh.
Someone called for help. Yes!
5 survivals. I'm so good. Woohoo! I'm jumping off.
Sing we now, sing for the year, sing for the laughter, sing for the tears.
Okay, let's go.
We did it!
Glacier Lake. Retronado. What? Alright, you gotta find each other. I got a shelter key. No, it's right there!
What if I went inside a tornado and realized?
You'll probably get some candy.
Oh, that's nice.
Exactly. You don't know who you're messing with. No, I speak wrong. We're big boys. Your mom. No!
Wait! No, we don't. What if
Oh,
we're big boys?
yeah, we're alive. Exactly. You're bad. Yeah.